In this video, we will be talking about a company that was more in the news this week for its great results and for prepaying its debts. We are talking about Jindal Steel and Power or JSPL. JSPL reported a sales number of 41,200 crores for the financial year 2020, growing at 11% for the year. Was it great number? Nothing, right? While see their profit numbers coming at 3,600 crores and growing at 3,400%. Isn't it mind-boggling for a company that reported 109 crores losses in 2020 and 1,600 crores losses in 2019? What a big turnaround this is the company has achieved. Sales did not have big growth while margins went up big time to contribute huge on the profit side. Also, interest reduction was a big contribution to its profits. Of late, JSPL was in the news for prepaying its debt of 2,400 crores. Just 2 years back, we had companies struggling to pay interest on their borrowings, and that created a huge disruption in the debt market for the country. While here, there is a company which is prepaying its debt and looking to become debt-free soon. JSPL has reduced its debt by 20,000 crores in the last 3 years. A debt book which was at 46,500 crores in December 2017 has now got reduced to 26,500 crores. JSPL is also selling its non-core assets to bring in more funds to repay its debts. While now there will be a queue of lenders lining up at the doors of JSPL to lend to them, while JSPL is in no mood to borrow anymore. They are aiming to become debt-free soon. If that so happens, a company in the cyclical business becoming debt-free is another amazing thing to have, and also just by becoming debt-free, JSPL will add another 3,000 crores of profits just by saving on its interest. So from 3,600 crores of current profits, adding another 3,000 crores just because of interest savings. What a big number growth, right? And along with that, JSPL is also planning a big expansion from 12 million tons of core iron capacity to 27 million tons by 2030. This is going to cost them 1.2 lakh crores, and they are looking to fund it from internal sources. And this also will contribute, this expansion will contribute hugely to their business growth. So now we have the reason to know why JSPL is rocking in the markets. Its robust profit growth numbers took the stock to be in the list of top 10 stocks in our country on profit growth numbers. JSPL ranks at 98.9 on a scale of 100 on its earnings rank against 700 companies that we tracked for ranking purposes. On its price growth rank, again JSPL is at the top at 97.3. This stock has grown 150% in the last 6 months. Its growth against the benchmark, it's been again robust here. Last 1 year returns, NSE 500 went up 65%, JSPL went up 409%. Coming to a 3-month period, NSE 500 was almost flat, while JSPL went up 45%. Come to an even lower period of 1 month, index was 4%, JSPL goes up 17%. This is the advantage when we invest into top ranking stocks. For those who invest into stocks that have ranking above 80 on price and earnings growth, generally will have very big advantage to have big returns from their investments. When we compare the rankings against the peer group, JSPL on its earning rank is at the top since October 20. JSPL moved to top rank in August 2020 by moving above 80 on its earnings rank. From there on, it continued to hold its leadership till now. In October 2020, all the peer group stocks had their ranking spread between 6 to 92. Now, if you see, all the stocks have clustered themselves above the 90 mark. This is because of consistent earnings growth among all the companies in the group, thereby taking the metal sector itself to the top performing place in the economy today. When we take the price rank growth, the picture is beautiful, depicting a magnetic pull. All the stocks in the group had their ranking spread between 48 to 92 6 months back. Now all of them have moved straight to 90. The price move that has happened is beautiful. We can watch this dark blue line that depicts the JSPL movement. JSPL was not the leader in the group in October 2020. It was at below 50. Now we can see the speed at which the stock moved to 90 rank. So that's the beauty of investing into top ranking stocks. When a stock goes above 80 on its earnings rank, immediately the price also gets pulled up pretty fast. This helps if you invest into a stock that has both its earnings and price rank above 80, the growth on our account goes on pretty fast. JSPL gave its first buying opportunity in the current trend in May 2020, just after the March 20 correction the market had. At the time, stock price was at 122. It was a trend reversal buy. After that, when the stock moved to top rank, that is its earnings rank moved above 80 in August, it gave a buying opportunity when the stock price was at 202 rupees per share. Then as the ranking strengthened, then it gave another buying opportunity at 330 rupees per share. Today, stock is quoting at 400 plus. It is a rare opportunity that a stock gives 3 or 4 buying signals and all of them are winners. JSPL had made it possible. And from here also, JSPL has more space to cover with the kind of robust results that it is giving, which can take the stock further up. Today, JSPL PE is around 22 times its earnings, while the sector PE is around 40 times. So that itself shows there is nearly 100% growth potential for the stock if it has to even touch the sector PE rating. Today, around 21 analysts are tracking JSPL, and out of them 17 have given buying recommendation for the stock for a target of 580. So today's stock is at around 410 levels. 580 is somewhere around 30-35%, right? So big opportunity to invest in this stock. Can we invest into JSPL or any other steel stock because it is rocking in the market today? Not at all. Steel as a sector is red hot now. It's not even worth touching it. You need to cool for some time. The kind of robustness the whole sector has shown and the correction the stocks in the sector have been going through in the last 2 to 3 days, there is going to be very big buying opportunity coming up in the stocks, which can give us huge gain potential. We need to wait for this opportunity. This correction that is going on in the market has to get cooled down, finish its journey, and some strength has to be built. After that, either you can invest into the leaders or distribute your money into all the peer group stocks, so that the whole sector, when it goes up, rolls up and keeps going higher, our investment also will keep doing its higher journey. So when is this opportunity going to come? We have been tracking all the stocks for the next buying opportunity. You can join our discussion group where we will be posting the opportunities when they unfold. To join the discussion group, send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video. Enjoy the zipping metals journey.